So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2002. Algo is given, and this algo is for searching an element in an array. Okay. So, what this algo is saying: choose an I uniformly at random from 1 to n. Okay. Suppose we have an array of size n, and we have to identify an element from it, and we are choosing it randomly. Okay. If a of I equal to x, then stop, else go to 1. If we have found our element, okay, so then stop the searching, and if not, then again go to 1, means again choose an uniformly I, and then check for it, and if it is our element, then stop. If not, then again choose randomly I and continue this algo. Okay. Assume that x is present in A, and they have given this confirmation that the element which we are searching is present in array. Okay. So what is the expected number of comparisons made by the algorithm before it terminates? So suppose if we have an array of size n, so suppose if we have found our element in first search. Okay. So what will be the probability of it? Okay. According to first search, what will be the probability? We have found it in first search, so 1. And what is the total number of elements? That are n. Okay. So if we are searching it in first go, then probability will be 1 by n. Now, for suppose we haven't found our element in first search. Okay. So what will happen here? To not find our element, okay, so it should not be our element, and they have given that our element is present in array. Okay. So what are those places where our element cannot be present? Okay. So if it can be present at one place, total number of elements in an array, that are n, so where it cannot be present? At n minus 1 places. Okay. So to not find our element, what will be the probability? N minus 1 divided by n. Okay. So at n minus 1 places, our element cannot be present, and we have to find it in second search. Okay. So to having our element in second search, it can be present at one place only. Okay. So this could be 1 by n. Okay. Like this, if we can say that clearly, to having a value in our search, what is the probability? 1 by n. And if we are not finding our value in a particular search, that will be the probability n minus 1 by n. Okay. So if we are searching it third time, so what will be the probability of it? In first search we haven't identified it. Okay. So n minus 1 by n. Okay. First search we don't get our element. In second search also we don't get our element. Then its probability n minus 1 by n. And having our value in third search, what will be the probability? 1 by n. Okay. So for knowing the expected number of comparisons, we will use here expectation formula. In probability, for finding the value of random variable expectation, what will be the probability formula? X into f of x, where x is the this value, and probability will be what is its probability. Okay. So here, if we are trying to find out our expectation, so what is, suppose our expectation is E, so x and f of x. So what is the value of x? That is 1. 1 into 1 by n, that will be 1 by n. Okay, plus here what is the value of x, that is 2. Okay, suppose these are the value of x and these are the value of f of x. Okay, so for respective value 1, f of x is 1 by n, so 1 into 1 by n, we have taken 1 by n. Okay, for second search we are not finding, we are finding our element in two searching. Okay, so if we are finding our element in second time, so first time we should not find it. Okay, so that will be n minus 1 by n, and second search we are finding it 1 by n. Okay, so what will be the expectation for second time? That will be 2 into n minus 1 by n, n minus 1 by n, and second search we have to identify it, so that should be 1 by n. Okay, like this for third time. Okay, in first two times we should not find our element, so what is the probability? N minus 1 by n. Okay, again we should not find it, n minus 1 by n, n minus 1 by n, and in third time we should find our element, so that should be 1 by n. Okay, like this we will continue. Okay, now let us multiply our this equation by n minus 1 by n. Okay, so here what will be it? E into n minus 1 by n. We are multiplying our equation 1. Suppose this is our equation 1. Okay, we are multiplying it with n minus 1 by n both sides. Okay, so here when we have multiplied it, so this become e into n minus 1 by n. Here what will happen? 1 by n into n minus 1 by n, plus this will become 2 into n minus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n into 1 by n. Okay, like this, plus dot dot dot, so on. Suppose this is our equation number 2. Okay, now subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 1 minus 2. Okay, so what will be the result? When we subtracted e of 1 minus n minus 1 by n. Okay, let me explain here. 1 minus n minus 1 by n. When we solve it, what will become? N minus n plus 1 by n, and this whole term will become from n and n will be cancelled, this will become 1 by n. Okay, so this term will become e into 1 by n. Okay, so here what we will get, e into 1 by n equal to. Now next, what is the first term here? That is 1 by n. Okay, so from here we will get 1 by n plus here 2 into n minus 1 by n into 1 by n, or and what is here 1 by n into n minus 1 by n. So from 2 if we subtract it, 2 minus 1 1, so we will get what, n minus 1 by n into 1 by n plus here from 3 we will subtract 2, this will also become 1. So next term will be n minus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n into 1 by n. Okay, so next term will be n minus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n into 1 by n plus dot 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 and so on. Okay, so if we see it, this is looking like a GP series. Okay, so what is the value of R? If we divide second term by first term, n minus 1 by n and 1 by n will be cancelled. So what will be the value of R? Value of R will be n minus 1 by n, and what is the value of A? That will be 1 by n. Okay, so if you know the formula of GP series, sum of GP series, which is going up to the infinite terms, okay, so that is A upon 1 minus R. Okay, so what is the sum of infinite GP series? A upon 1 minus R if R is less than 1. Okay, so here expectation will be what? E into 1 by n is equal to A. What is the value of A? That is 1 by n. Okay, upon 1 minus R. What is the value of R? That is n minus 1 by n. N minus 1 by n. Okay, this is 1 by n, and in denominator n minus n plus 1. Okay, divide by n. So this n will be cancelled. So left term is 1 by n, and denominator also we have 1 by n. So this and this also will be cancelled, and this will become 1. Okay, so here E into 1 by n equal to 1. So what is the value of E? So E will become n. Okay, so expected number of comparisons according to this algorithm will be what? N. Okay, so let us see our options now. So our correct option is option A. According to this algorithm, which is uniform, in which we are generating a number randomly, okay, random index we are generating and trying to identify if it is our element, we will stop the algo. If not, then we will repeat step 1 and again generate a random number, and we will go at that index. If it is our element, we will stop. If not, then again we will repeat this, and we will repeat this until we get our element. Okay, so for this we have used the expectation formula of probability, and what we have got the answer, n. Okay, so correct option is option A. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.